Hi folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another most excellent product. This is from Canon, of course. This is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. And you can go to usa.canon.com and check it out. I highly recommend this product. The EOS 5D Mark III was, of course, just a well-regarded and highly loved product. And, of course, Canon has brought it into the new age, added 4K video and a few other different wonderful features and upgrades to it, and brought this wonderful Mark IV to life that you can take and get now from their website. Certainly highly recommend it. In the testing we've done with this so far, it's just been super impressive. I love the Mark III, and wow, this just takes it to a whole new level, and of course, a wonderful updating. So let's get into some of the features. It's got a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for shooting in just about any light with an ISO range of 100 to 32,000, and it's expandable to 50 to 102,400. This just gives you, of course, really wonderful full-frame, high-speed CMOS sensor that can just rock and roll, give you high-resolution photography, speed, everything you want out of your camera, and being able to get great photos and also great still and 4K video clips. So there you go. And also they've added, like I mentioned, 4K motion JPEG video. This is going to be pretty awesome. It's 30 frames per second or 24p. And you can even do in-camera still grab frames of 4K at 8.8 megapixel images. Multiple video options, of course, on the lower video options of full HD up to 60 frames per second and HD up to 120p. So pretty awesome that way. You've got finally now a really super competitive camera that competes with other cameras in the marketplace that have 4K on them. And of course you have the classic Mark that can take and get you the best photographs out there when it comes down to it. It's got a superb dual pixel CMOS autofocus for responsive and smooth autofocus during video or live view shooting. And it's got an LCD monitor, of course, in the back that's got full touchscreen interface, including the selection of the autofocus area. You can touch it and focus it, move it around, all that good stuff, get the shot you want, and away you go, or get the right focus on your video. It's got a 3.2-inch touch panel LCD, features a 1.62 million dot low reflection LCD monitor on the back, and just gives you great view. And of course you can control the menu, you can control everything about the camera right from this touchable thing. I really like it. Most people are used to the tactile usage of electronic devices these days, your phones, your cameras, everything else. This makes it really great that this is here and helps you get a high precision image for the composition you want. Pretty decent and nice. It also has excellent performance of up to 7 frames per second. That's continuous shooting with high performance Digic 6 Plus image processor for improved speed and excellent image quality. So that's pretty freaking awesome. You can take and just bang, 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 get those quick photos, especially if you're doing active photos of moving images, say like sports, animals, things of that nature. It can just really help you get great shots and, of course, videos as well. It's got a Digic 6 Plus image processor, and that just basically makes it so that this is the brains and power behind the Canon camera, and it's going to help you just get great photos. Also, it has a 61 autofocus points with expanded vertical coverage of 41 cross points and autofocus possible at 61 points with many lenses, extender combinations that are effective at f-stop 8. So it just makes sure you can get really good low light performance. That's going to be phenomenal. It's got low intensity limit, and it's just going to work great for you. It's got 150,000 pixel RGB plus IR meter sensoring that gives you precise exposure metering, helps with anti-flicker shooting. Just makes it so that you're going to get those wonderful color tones during continuous shooting, and things are going to look awesome in your final photos. It's got dual pixel RAW in-camera digital lens optimizer during JPEG shooting or diffraction correction technologies. This is more dead scientific stuff that, of course, makes it so you're going to get really good, sharp, detailed images and things are going to look really just beautiful. Wow, they finally added to this camera the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, so you can use this device to share with all of your mobile units, your phones, your laptops, your computers. You can easily pass around the data that's built inside of them, and wow, makes it a whole lot easier to share on the fly and all that good stuff. Built-in NFC technology, so it makes it easy to pair, easy to share with different Canon photo printers and all that sort of good stuff. Canon Connect stations. Wow, there you go. It's also got Canon Log, which provides a high amount of dynamic range to be encoded for post-production color grading. This just gives you great output, consistent quality, and can make a real big difference in your 4K and full HD video files for that increased dynamic range. Just pretty awesome on what they built into this. So we got a chance to test this out, play with it for a couple months. I got to tell you, we're super impressed with it. I do have to say I'm biased. I love the Canon EOS 5D Mark III, and this thing just takes it right to the next level that I think most all of us want to see it go. So I highly recommend it. Go to their website at usa.canon.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. We'll see you next time.